Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Thank you for tuning in here, and we have a great song from Rema. You know that little man behind Calm Down, perhaps, many other songs. This time we're going to focus on Bout U. Let's do that together, and we're going to place the capo on the 2nd fret. That's the best setup for us. 4 chords. Let's run through the chords, and we have A minor first. Alright, so A minor starts with open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have E. Speaking about E, that's the next chord, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Next, a bar chord, it's the F. So you place your index finger and cross all strings like this, you push them down, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And finally, you have the C. And that goes 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, and some technical stuff here before we move on here. We always like to have as easy as possible when it comes to the chord switches, all right? So I can just mention for you, perhaps you can see that obviously very well. From A minor to E, you just take the very same grip as it is and put it right above one string up, okay? So that's A minor and that's E. Very same grip, all right? And then from C, you go to, from F, you go to C. You have that F chord here, and your ring finger is already in place there when it comes to the 3rd A note. You keep that there, and you just do this transition. In my head, that helps a lot, okay? So from F, you can go to this. So you don't have to release everything and try to find a C. You have something to build upon. That 3rd fret A string. All right. And the chord progression will be in the same way as we learned the chords. So therefore, that's why I'm going through the chords like I do with the technical stuff there. All right. So pretty easy transition when it comes to chords. Now, let's take a look at the strumming, and this is just my interpretation of the strumming, and it's very similar to the beat that goes on here. You can do this in different ways. Like I said, this is my take on it. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, you're going to play like this. Okay, so we're going to start with the first half, and it goes down, down, up, clap, down, like this. So again, down, down, up, clap, down. Then you have a short pause, and then comes down, clap, down. And all that is one round. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. All right, and there you have it. You're gonna play one of these per chord in the order we just mentioned: A minor 1, E1, F1, and C1, like this. And that's it, my friends. It doesn't have to be harder than that. 4 chords run in the same way through the entire song. Rema's Bout U. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Very much appreciated. So thank you so much. Until next time, play tuned.